What up? It's Wil Vitela, home tech expert, back in Placentia, California, here to update a dummy deadbolt at the front door for a beautiful brand new smart lock. With this smart lock, you can use PIN codes to be able to unlock the door just like this. Now that's nice, but wait, there's more. You can also use your finger touch ID to be able to unlock the door.
Oh, there.
Now that is next level amazing. And of course you can manually lock it or unlock it, but wait, one more trick. Lock my front door. To have me install something like this at your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com.